Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a very simple and healthy vegetable stir fry with oyster mushrooms, 平菇. Here are my ingredients. I have a half pound oyster mushrooms. So we're going to just tear them into small pieces like this with hand. This way they have better texture. I also have 1 carrot. It's going to add a color to a dish and also more vitamins. I'm going to cut into diamond shape. Of course, you can simply cut into slices. Cut in an angle. Now we're ready to cook. When you stir fry oyster mushrooms, there will be a lot of water come out. So the first step, we're going to saute it without oil to get the water out. It takes a few minutes to have all the water out. Now all the water has evaporated. We're going to take out the mushrooms. Now we add some oil and saute the garlic and white part of green onions. Now we're going to add the carrot. Cook about a minute or two. Now we add a little bit salt. Put back the mushrooms. Now we season with salt. Last, we add the green onions. Now oyster mushrooms are ready. Very simple and healthy stir-fried oyster mushrooms. Hope you are going to enjoy it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.